Mobile apps are changing the world. Android was introduced by Google in 2007 and is the most popular smartphone operating system on the planet today. And now Android development is Kotlin first. And now you can learn directly from Google professionals in the new Android Kotlin Developer Nanodegree program from Udacity. The Nanodegree program is built by industry and for industry. Because Udacity doesn't just teach you a programming language, we give you all the skills needed to land a job. The program prepares students for a career as a professional Android Kotlin developer. Anyone starting a new project should write it in Kotlin, because code written in Kotlin means much less code. Less code to type, test, and maintain. You'll learn by developing real-world hands-on projects, including an advanced Android application that utilizes Google Maps to provide key location-based updates. Master Kotlin-first Android development and get equipped to build the next industry-defining killer app for the world's most used mobile platform. Enroll in Udacity's new Android Kotlin Developer Nanodegree program today.